Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android 11 or newer, the Android Auto app enabled, and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi active on your phone. If your car lacks built-in wireless, prepare a certified wireless adapter or a compatible USB-C dongle. Once ready, plug the adapter into your car's USB port and connect the phone with a cable for the first pairing. This initial wired handshake lets the adapter register the phone. After that, you transition to wireless connection steps. You now pair devices, follow the car or adapter prompts, and accept Bluetooth pairing requests. Make sure Android Auto has location, microphone, and notification permissions. Grant them in settings if blocked. If your adapter includes an app, open it and choose the wireless profile, or in the car's head unit, switch the connection type to wireless. Once paired, verify Wi-Fi tethering is active between phone and head unit. Make sure automatic reconnection is allowed so future starts are seamless. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation, play audio, and use voice commands to confirm responsiveness. If the connection drops, disable battery optimization for Android Auto on your phone because aggressive power saving often kills background Wi-Fi. Also, make sure both phone and head unit firmware are up to date. If things fail, reboot the phone, unplug and replug the adapter, and clear the Android Auto app cache. These steps usually restore pairing and let you get back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.